Going on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades here, back with another video. And in this video, I just have the weekly SPY, Apple, and Nvda watch lists on what I'll be looking to take next week. Regarding intraday trades and some swing trades, some juicy swing trades I might be looking to get into. But as I always say, if you like making money and if you like flexing on your ex, then you're in the right place. But let's get into it here. So I have SPY up here on my chart. So let's go to the daily time frame. I had my swing trades that played out beautifully. Taking it from 420 up to 428. Price target was 425. That worked out beautifully. If you guys don't know about that, you could check out my last video where I fully explain it. But yeah, we're still pretty bullish so far on this intraday, bigger macro time frame, such as the daily and the weekly. Let's look at our weekly just to see what we look like here. Yeah, this is really strong. What I'll be looking for next week, given price action maybe on SPY, I'll be looking for puts up here at 430. I'll take some intraday puts, and I'll also take some swings down to 425. Simply because I notice once we move an increment of $10 on SPY, we usually have a nice move, either a bounce or a reject from that, at least $5. At least in these current market conditions that we have now. Obviously that's always subject to change, but we adapt with the market. Just do what the market basically is showing us, put together the big picture, and we deploy our capital in the smartest areas from there. Let's take a look at Nvda here. Let's go to the daily. So we closed back under this 394, which is good for bearish signs, at least to take back down to 376. So my idea for Nvidia, honestly, since we're coming off these highs, and I still feel like people are taking profits up here in this area. Give me 1 second. Yeah, as you guys can see here on Nvidia, we're making, after this was all-time high right here, after we made all-time high last week, we pushed up, especially on Friday. It was looking strong, looking very strong, and then we rejected. Come market open, we just completely tanked. And intraday, this is technically making a lower high, signaling that we can see some more downside just because people might be taking profits up in this area. So basically, I'm looking to get in swing puts to 377.5-ish area, around this area, testing these lows, honestly. So I think that would be a great opportunity to get inside, since we're making these lower highs on this descending triangle, and it would be beautiful if we could break below this. So I'm gonna get in 2 contracts here for around $500. $540, something like that. They're around 280 each. That's basically what I'll be looking for in Nvidia. I won't be taking really any intraday calls or puts on Nvidia. I'll be taking swings for this one because it's looking really juicy, especially for price to basically do this. Maybe come back up some, boom, like this, and then just reject, maybe come back up, touch the trend line, and just tank, bro. And then boom, fall back down this joint right here, boom, come back up, boom, fall back down. That's what I'm looking for maybe to happen. But it is what it is. I'm not tripping. I'm just stacking probabilities and getting inside my trade, understanding that probabilities can go against me. So, I'm not worried about it. Just chilling. But yeah, that's basically what I'll be looking for Nvidia. I feel like this might play out. The Nvidia swings that I had last week when we were around here, when we opened up. Yeah, we opened up around here after this huge push up. They were up 2,500. I only spent $600 on one contract, and I was asleep because my power was out, so I couldn't sell it. And long story short, on Friday, it went against me for $430 something. It's in my last video, so if you guys didn't see that, you can see that there. But yeah, that's what I'll be looking for Nvidia. And on Aapl, I'll be looking to take. Let's look at our daily, our weekly, and then our daily. Yeah, we're very strong. And it looks like last time we were at this 182, we just rejected it. So I'll be looking to do the same thing again here at all-time highs of 182.94. Let's move down to our daily, because we have this big, weekly uptrend. Same thing with the daily. We have a nice daily. But as you can see here, as we're starting to get, a little bit close to 418, we're seeing a little bit of hesitation from the buyers. So I'll be looking to take puts up here at 182. I'll swing it down, hopefully to 176 or 175. And I'll be trying to take intraday trades on Aapl, if the opportunity presents itself from 182 down to 180. But I'll take the swings to around 170. What is this? Yeah, around 177, 175. Give me 1 second. Let's move down to our hourly so I can see this a little better here. Yep. I'll be looking to take these rejections. Actually, I think I'll try to take swings to 180. It depends on what the contracts are looking like, because Aapl, they don't have same day contracts all the time. And, sometimes price targets on Aapl are like 182.5. They have like 0.5 increments. So this rejection right here, yeah, I'll be taking weekly swings down to 176. I think that's what I'll do once we push up to 182 on Aapl. I'll take intraday puts to 180, and I'll take swings to 176. So that looks like the game plan for Aapl. But other than that, I think that was everything. I went through SPY, went through Nvidia, went through SPX. I mean, not SPX. Went through SPY, Aapl, and Nvidia. But I'll go through Aapl again. I'm sorry. I'll go through SPY again. I'm all messed up right now. Oh my goodness. But yeah. Long story short, intraday for a SPY next week, I'll be looking for puts up here at 430. Intraday, I'll be looking to take it down around 427. Around $3, or 428, around $2. Take it, back to 428, since we've seen some resistance around there. But I'll also look to take swings down to 425, because technically we broke above 425 without retesting it. So I'll be looking for the retest on basically the daily and the weekly to take it back upwards. Other than that, that's basically all I have for you guys today for this weekly watch list. And as far as Nvidia or anything goes, technically contracts only bought contracts when they get filled tomorrow, $280 each for 500, around $540. So if you guys have an extra $280 you're not doing anything with, if you want to give it a try. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. It could go against you. You could lose your $280. But if it goes with you, you could turn 280 into, on Nvidia, you can turn 280 into $1,000 basically with Nvidia. I'm just being honest. $600 to $1,000. But, you trade at your own risk. Trading is very hard. But it's about how bad you want it, just like with anything in life. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.